and you utilize your super to pull that out to buy a property? The answer is yes, you can. Now, this is non-financial advice, so go seek a financial advisor. So here's a fun fact for you, is that when it comes to lending or borrowing money inside a super, the banks don't judge you the same as your personal situation. So for those people or Australians at the moment who don't have any borrowing capacity personally, pulling out money out of your super to get borrowing power over there is a different ballgame. So at the moment, there's a lot of people in like their 30s and 40s who have what I would call lazy super. Like they have like $200,000 to $300,000 of super lying around. And usually that's a very good starting point to pull that money out, to utilize that as their cash funds to buy a house. At the start of 2020, I'd say you need at least $160,000 of cash inside your super to begin with. And bonus, you can partner it with your partner as well. In fact, you can actually partner your money with up to 4 other people, which is pretty cool. So if you're stuck on borrowing money inside your personal name and you have at least $160,000 or more inside your super, comment the word super below and I'll send you a specific training on the pros and cons and what types of properties you need to buy inside the super. And then we can work out how much money you can buy inside super to start building a portfolio over there. So let's just say you had $150,000 of money inside your super and that's inside your super right now, which is basically being betted on the share market. If you then pulled out that $150,000 and partnered that with, let's just say, $400,000 of the bank's money, aka a mortgage, then you could potentially own a property which is worth $500,000. So then you have an asset worth of $500,000 that is compounding for you rather than just having $150,000 working. So the first thing you would need to do is, number 1, watch my free training on it. So comment the word super below. And number 2 is you want to make sure you have a specialized mortgage broker who niches and specializes in SMSF lending. You are also going to need a specialized accountant who specializes in SMSFs again, so that they can help you release your super legally from, get approval from the ATO to put it into a bank account so that you can utilize it for property. So there's a bit involved. So if you want my team just to fast track you and work out the quickest way to get there, let me know by clicking on the link in my bio, booking a call with me, free 15-minute chat. We can just talk about the next steps so you know exactly what you need to do from that point onwards. Because there's a niche type of team that you need on your side, that's why.